game of cards, all right? Here's the way we play. Just a minute. Get the cards like this here. You know how to play cards? You know how to play cards? Come over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come over here. All right. You have 7 card or 5 card you want to play? What do you want to play? 7 card, 5 card. Now you want to do snack first? Have a snack. Have a snack. Have a snack. 2 for you. 2 for you. Yeah. All right. Wait a minute. 5 cards. Anybody get caught cheating, I got the gun here. That's it. No cheating. Here. Hey, Rox. Come here, Rox. Hey, Rox. All right. Wait a minute. Hey, Rox. Look at this guy. He's a big hound dog. That's a good boy. Right around. Okay. Now, watch here. Here. Bar. Little more. Little more. Did you talk? Can you talk? Sing. 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 Oh. 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 I'm the only one that's on the video here. Yeah, Rock. What? Leave the card there. You don't want to play cards. You want to eat all the time. Huh? You want to eat? Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. You big clown. Come here. Look at the TV. Everybody whistle. Wow! Wow! Bark. What's the matter, Rox? What's the matter? You want to get down? You're scared, huh? You want to get down? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Alex. Sing a song, Alex. Ooh.